Hello traders and investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are going to analyze Tesla. Tesla did a terrible job this week in going up. It dropped and I do not believe this is the end of the world. I believe that Tesla is still looking quite good despite the horrible movement we saw this week, and it is looking better than the NASDAQ index. And I will explain to you guys why in this video. Are you already my subscriber? Remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, I suggest you to subscribe. I'm not asking, I'm just saying I think you're going to enjoy our content over here. I really hope I can help somebody out there. Tesla is dropping sharply. Many people are starting to get nervous, anxious around here, so I firmly believe that I can help you guys with this video. Alright, so let's analyze Tesla's price action. What the charts can tell us right now. Tesla is dropping sharply since its peak at 1208. It is dropping. It dropped more than 30%, okay? And right now it's dropping 31% roughly. But although it is dropping more than the NASDAQ index, it is looking better than the NASDAQ index, and I'll tell you why. See, despite this intense drop, Tesla is back to, let me see over here, October's levels, okay? It is, well, it just got back a few months, but if we analyze the NASDAQ index, we got back way more. This week, we reached May's support level, May 2021. So we got back more than 7 months price-wise on the NASDAQ index, while Tesla, we just got back to October's levels. So guys, although Tesla dropped much more than the NASDAQ index, more than 30%, we gotta remember that when Tesla goes up, it goes up. It goes up a lot. Way more than the indices. And this is why we see this distortion. Despite the fact Tesla is dropping, it is still stronger, it is still more resilient than the overall tech stocks. It is much more resilient than many tech stocks, to be fair. So guys, I do not believe this drop is a reason to panic. As Nathan Rothschild would say, buy when there's blood in the streets. Buy when no one have the guts to buy. So I think drops like this are the perfect moments to buy Tesla if you're out, to add positions if you have cash left, and to consider probably buying back your positions if you shorted Tesla at this top, okay? So that's my recommendation to you here. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. I am a retail trader, a retail investor. I'm not an expert, I'm not a guru. I'm just a trader, just like everybody here, okay? I'm just a guy. And this is my personal opinion. Right now, Tesla is much more interesting for a long trade, especially if you want to invest at it for the long run. Right now, it's the time to buy. And well, since we are near support level, and since yesterday we had such an impressive bar thanks to earnings, in my humble opinion, this smells an exhaustion bar. An exhaustion bar always occurs when we see a very strong bar like this. This has a name. This candlestick has a name. It is called Marubozu. This was a classic Marubozu. It has no shadows or little shadows above or under the candlestick's body. It is a very classic exhaustion bar in a support level with high volume. And since we just retested the support level at 900s over here, right now we lost the support level, yes. But guys, don't you agree that if next week, by any means, Tesla goes up and closes above the 900s, we might see a very nice false breakout and a perfect bear trap in the weekly chart. So, okay, Tesla didn't go up as we expected last week. Statistically speaking, Tesla should go up, but it didn't. Alright, that's part of the game. But I think this movement, today's movement, is a sign of uncertainty. It is doing a doji, a candlestick called doji pattern, and this tells us that Tesla is very uncertain. When we look in the weekly chart, in the short term, right now, Tesla has another possibility of doing another bullish pivot point, and it has another chance to engage a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. And when we analyze the other stocks in the electric vehicle sector, Lucid is dropping sharply. We see not a single sign of a reaction. Rivian is going up 2% today, but we are near no support level. The Chinese stocks are just dropping. They are a true catastrophe. XPeng is losing support levels. And guys, among all of the electric vehicles stocks, Tesla is clearly the strongest one, and I am still bullish at it. However, I think we should wait for a better bullish sign. Today we are doing a doji candlestick pattern, so this is not enough to me. I think we should wait for a better bullish structure, a bullish candlestick pattern in the 1 hour chart or in the daily chart. Now, if you're asking, well, Nathan, Tesla lost the support level. Where's the next support level? What if Tesla actually keeps dropping? Where would it stop dropping? Well, we have other support levels over here. I think this purple line is a very nice support level. It was a support level multiple times over here in September, and it was even a resistance level in September as well. So it was a resistance, it worked as a resistance 1, 2, 3 times, and it worked as a support 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past. So $766 is our next support level. However, I do not believe we are gonna hit this support level. I think Tesla, since we already feel it, this little gap over here, we have a little gap around this area. I believe Tesla is now ready to get back up, but we should wait for a better bullish structure, and this is what I'm waiting right now. When you analyze the indices are already reacting nicely. It seems Tesla is only dropping because it is still having a hard time absorbing the news concerning the earnings it reported this week. So it feels like so far it is just the volatility speaking. We see only noise going on in Tesla, but the midterm reading is still the same. We are near support levels. If we close near the support levels today or even next week, if we close above the 900s again, this is going to be a very good bear trap and another great opportunity to buy Tesla. So guys, again, you should always buy when there's blood in the streets, all right? Buy when there's blood in the streets. Buy near support levels. Right now, would you be wrong in buying Tesla? Of course not. Of course not. In my humble opinion, it is for the best to wait for the proper reaction, because who knows? Maybe Tesla will keep dropping, maybe not. I don't know. I can't predict the future, guys. I'm sorry. But in my defense, no one can predict the future. Not even the so-called gurus, the so-called experts. So no one can predict what's going to happen next. So let's react properly to what we see. Right now, do we see a bullish reaction that is actually convincing to me? No, I don't see anything that can convince me. However, if we do next week, we're gonna see a very good buy sign. Probably one of the best buy signs ever in Tesla. It's going to be a great opportunity, especially for those who are still out of Tesla and who maybe you feel that you missed it, the train, right? You lost, right? You lost your opportunity. Right now, it is another opportunity to buy Tesla. It can easily jump to 1400s, 1500s by the end of the year. So right now, buying around the 800s, it is a good idea to me. It's not a good idea to buy at 1200s. That's crazy. But at 800s, this makes sense to me. I think it is very attractive. I think Tesla is very discounted and it is extremely oversold. That's a fact. It is oversold. You cannot deny that. So, my friends, let's wait for a buy opportunity. I will keep you guys updated next week. I record videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So, again, remember to subscribe to this channel. I think I earned your subscription. Keep your eyes on our community tab because I'm always posting analysis there. So, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.